Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Greetings, my friends. Today we are going to show how to use the progress bar and percentage, showing the percentage on top of that progress bar. So let's go to Visual Studio and create a new project, and we'll name it progress bar. Progress bar with label. So what do we need here? We need to have two labels, and this is our second label. Let me start this with scaling of 100 because so we need two labels, and we need to put timer. We need also progress bar. Okay, so let's name this one as, it's a good practice to rename the components. So this is title, and this one is label percentage, and this one is our progress bar. So let's keep the same name. Okay, let's write here some text. Progress bar part 1. So this is the progress bar, and here we'll just edit the text. So here it will be 0. Okay. I need to make this editable. So I will remove the auto sizing. Let's adjust this here and bring the progress bar down. Okay, expand this to here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so some little tune up for the text, and for this I need to make tune up. So, and perhaps maybe I can change the color to maybe green. Okay. Okay. So now we have the components already, but we need to also, before we go to the coding, we need to enable the timer here. So how did I reach to here? By clicking on this and going to the properties. Suppose this one is not active, so you can go from view and you can open the property, or you can just right click and click on it. We'll make it enable, whether by double click or just from the drop down menu. Okay, now let's go to type the code. We open our timer. Okay, so first I will program the timer. So I will just say progress bar dot value equal to progress bar plus 1, or I can just simply type the same code different way, value plus equal 1. So this also applicable whether like this or like that. Okay. Okay. And what I need also, I need to make a if statement, and I will write progress bar dot value equal 100. Timer, we want to stop the timer from counting. Timer dot enable equals false, because here our scale is 100, so it can be shown here. You have the minimum is 0 and maximum is 100. So the maximum 100, that's why we put if it is equal to 100, then stop the timer. So when it reaches to the end, you stop the timer. Okay, so if we run the code, it will work fine. But before that, let me also program the same time the percentage, which will count here. So we'll just say here under this, if before that I have to declare a variable of type int, and I will name it counter equals to 0. I'll make it equals to 0, and here I will just tell that if the counter equals or less than, okay, less than 98, then label percentage dot text equals to counter plus percentage in progress, else I'll copy the same code, label percentage dot text counter equals, here it will be completed, but here I have to add 1 to the count, so it will reach to 100%. And after that, I have to increment the counter by 1 every time, because this will keep the looping until the timer reaches to 100, then it will stop. So every time we'll show the percentage. So okay, let's start our save our code and start it and see what's going to happen. So as we can see here, so this is our tutorial, the first part about progress bar. Next tutorial, part 2, will show how to open another window and also to display date and time. See you soon. Happy coding.